Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you have old clothes you never wear? Instead of tossing them, let's give them a trendy makeover. Today, we dive into thrift flipping. We'll transform outdated clothes into stylish pieces. It's fun, sustainable, and creative. Let's get started. Thrift flipping is a hot trend. It's sustainable, reducing waste from fast fashion. By reworking old clothes, you help the environment. It's also budget-friendly. Use what you have or find cheap pieces at thrift stores. Plus, you create unique outfits that reflect your style. No more wearing the same thing as everyone else. Let's start with an easy project. Turn an oversized t-shirt into a crop top. You need scissors and creativity. Lay the t-shirt flat. Decide the length of your crop top. Cut a straight line across the bottom. Tug at the fabric for a frayed look. Add flair by cutting off sleeves or creating a side slit. Now you have a trendy piece perfect for summer. Next, let's transform old jeans into distressed shorts. Try on the jeans and mark where you want the shorts to end. Cut straight across the mark. Use sandpaper or a razor blade to distress the edges. Pull at the threads for a frayed effect. Now, you have shorts that look high-end but cost nothing. No outfit is complete without accessories. Style your flipped clothes with belts, scarves, or bold jewelry. Accessories can transform an outfit's vibe. Pair distressed shorts with a cute belt or headscarf for a vintage look. Dress up a two-piece set with a statement necklace for a night out. And there you have it, 3 easy, fun, and affordable ways to refresh your wardrobe. Next is long dress to chic two-piece set. We're going to flip an old long dress into a two-piece set, one of the hottest trends right now. This is a great way to turn an outdated or ill-fitting dress into something completely new. Lay the dress flat and decide where you want to make the cut to create the top and skirt. Typically, cutting just above the waist works best for a flattering two-piece look. Cut across the dress at the chosen point. Now you have 2 separate pieces, a top and a skirt. To clean up the raw edges, you can use fabric glue, hem tape, or if you have basic sewing skills, stitch the edges for a neat finish. If you want to take it a step further, you can add elastic to the waistband of the skirt for a more fitted look. You can also crop the top shorter or add embellishments like lace or buttons for extra style points. Now you've got a chic two-piece set that you can dress up or down. Wear it together for a coordinated look or mix and match with other pieces in your wardrobe. This is such a versatile flip, and no one will ever guess it was an old dress. You're also making a positive environmental impact. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment on what to flip next. Share your thrift flips in the comment box with #thriftflipchallenge. I'd love to see your creations.